is your dream? To be international people? Businesswoman. Okay. What is your business? Oh. Oh. Do you like baking?
Yes, I really, really like baking because I think if if I'm baking, enjoy
Oh, you enjoy your time when you baking. It's good, sister. I wanna try your bread. So, what is your plan after CTC program? Will you join UTC?
yes, I enjoy this.
Oh, it's good. I hope you enjoy it. And then after this, can you tell me why do you want to join? What do you know?
I want to see because I speak English
Oh,
for require my speak because right now speak is
so important.
yes.
And then for the next plan, do you have any next plan?
Yes, next for PC, I want to study abroad.
Oh, mashallah. So do you wanna take? Where is your dream country?
Country. I think
Oh yes, no, no.
because I think in other country we can study well.
Ah, so what is the country?
London, maybe Germany.
Mashallah, Amin.
Although what about your playlist?
Actually, I don't really like to talk about that with another people. I like to keep it with myself, but now I will tell you. I wanna go abroad, also same with you, but not continue my study. I wanna work there. So because I wanna, yes, just I wanna